Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to a condo today and we got to take a look at a plug shower. Let's go up and see what we find. Okay. Okay.
But a couple of guys from Network yesterday were saying that they think there might be an obstruction like down between, somewhere between here and the main stack or something.
It was a little difficult going through the trap, but other than that, everything was clear. Like, didn't feel nothing.
Okay, so it might have been something the trap that got put down.
It's very possible.
Okay, let's go with that.
Yeah, because everything looks good there. So I'm just gonna give this a little. There you go.
Alright.
You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
You're happy? I'm happy. Job is done.
There you go.
What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We are in a townhouse today. We got this toilet. I tried augering it out and can't get through. We're gonna pull it off, see what we find inside. First things first, shut off the water. Definitely get a new handle for this, or at least put a new valve on or something. It's all broken. Trying to get the water to drain out. Disconnect the water supply.
The tape on your side. It's not working.
put the toilet in the bathtub. If you can see that, looks like a bar of soap. Alright, now we just gotta try to flip it backwards to flush it out. So right now, it would be in this area right here. So we need to flip the toilet around so we get it around to this part. Here. Alright, now I'm gonna put everything back. Well, I'm just doing the nuts up. There you go. So, if you guys like the video, if you press this button right here with my face on it, you can subscribe to the channel. If you press this button right here, you can check out another video, same as this one up here. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Jay, that Dream Guy, signing out. Ciao now.